In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn images into video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a still photo in your design and turn it into a smooth 5-second clip that's perfect for social posts, intros, or eye-catching slides. We'll keep it simple and stick to the built-in tools so you can follow along without any extra setup. Start with your design open and make sure the image you want to animate is selected on the canvas. When the image is correctly selected, you'll see a bounding box or handles around it. If your page has multiple elements, click directly on the photo itself so the editor knows which layer you want to work with. If you click elsewhere, the next options won't appear, so double-check that the image is highlighted before moving on. With the image selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar or panel. Clicking Edit opens the controls specifically for the photo you chose. This is where you typically adjust things like brightness or filters, but it also houses effects that can transform the image. If you don't see Edit, reselect your photo, and give the interface a second to update. Inside the Edit controls, choose the option labeled Image to Video. This feature takes your still image and generates subtle motion, creating the illusion of depth and movement. It works well on landscapes, product shots, and portraits, and it's a quick way to add life to otherwise static designs. You don't need to prepare anything fancy. Just make sure the correct image is selected when you open this tool. Next, click Generate 5-second video. This tells the editor to render a short clip from your selected photo. 5 seconds is a great length for intros, looping backgrounds, or story slides, and it keeps your file size manageable. If any preview or settings appear, you can leave them as they are for a straightforward conversion. Now give it a moment to process. Rendering time can vary depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the image. So keep the tab open and avoid clicking away while it works. You may see a progress indicator. That's normal. If it seems slow, a quick refresh of the preview can help, but let the generation finish before making other changes. When the video is ready, click Add Video to Design. The animated clip will appear on your canvas as a video element. From here, you can resize or reposition it just like any other element and continue designing around it. That's all there is to it. Your still photo is now a clean 5-second video, ready to enhance your project or export when you're done.